Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable notifications specifically for posts from people you follow on the X app. This updated method makes sure you never miss an important post from the accounts that matter most to you. Let's get started step by step so you can follow along easily. First, begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is the place where all of your device's apps and their controls are managed, so it's the best starting point whenever you want to adjust how an app interacts with your notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you every application installed on your phone. Look through the list until you find the X app. Once you see it, tap it to open its dedicated settings page. From here, your next step is to tap on Notifications. This option is where you can completely customize how and when the X app sends you alerts. Most people leave this area untouched, but digging into these settings gives you a lot more control. After selecting notifications, you'll want to go a little deeper by tapping on Notification Categories. This is where things become more specific. Instead of turning all notifications on or off, you can choose the exact type you want to receive. Now, look for the category labeled Posts from people you follow. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply switch it on, and you're done. With this enabled, you'll only get notified whenever someone you already follow makes a new post. This way, you avoid unnecessary alerts from random activity on the platform, but you'll always stay updated with the content that's important to you. And that's it. By following these quick steps, you've now customized your phone so X sends you only the notifications you care about most. This little adjustment helps keep your notifications organized and ensures you won't miss the updates you actually want to see. If you found these steps helpful, try them out right now and enjoy a more focused browsing experience. Thanks for watching.